Welcome to RM tutorial. Open browser. The link is in the description. Click show download link. Now type this code in the box. Submit. Wait. Choose one of these. Here is file size. Scroll down. Click download. Click here. Choose drive where you want to save. Start download. Now download process is start. Here's downloaded ISO file. If you haven't power ISO, download link in the description. Here is the download link. Now ISO file is extract. Done. This is file. Open.
Make it pop like this. Make it not like this. Make it drop.
Here is Windows 11.